In this video, we are going to show you how to check live core system network uptime statuses in your Hermes Agent account. Now, if you want to check your status, your core status on your system, a lot of people would say, oh, go to your web dashboard and API health and check it that way, or you do your CLI or your command line interface, or go through your messaging bots like your Telegram or Discord bots. Sounds complicated because it is, but there is one way that not a lot of people are saying, which is just here on our Hermes Agent desktop app. All you need to do is look towards your lower left corner, and there's going to be something, for the most part, if you're doing things right and if you're not tweaking it too much. Here on the lower right corner, or lower left corner, it's going to say gateway ready. That is pretty much what you're looking for. That is your live core system status. Gateway ready means you're fine, right? That is how you check it. There's a lot of noise out there. That's the same. That's the single easiest way. When you're here, look towards your lower left corner. It says gateway ready, right, or gateway other status. But this is going to be your baseline. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.